Welcome to the Traveling Pogma YouTube channel. This video will share the news that Sandals Resorts International will close the gorgeous Sandals Emerald Bay Resort on August 15, 2024. After a $100 million transformation, it will reopen as Beaches Exuma in about 6 to 8 months. Sandals is an adults-only brand. Beaches is their family version of Sandals. That is luxury, all-inclusive for kids and adults. Beaches Exuma will include all meals, drinks, snacks, activities, entertainment, their kids camp, teen nightclub, adventures with Sesame Street, scuba diving, their 18-hole golf course, Red Lane Spa, and more. The Exuma Islands is in the Bahamas, and it consists of 365 islands. Beaches Exuma will be on the island of Great Exuma. It's about a 20-minute drive from the airport. That code is GGT. The water is shallow, thereby making it a beautiful blue-green color, especially when the sun is out. This beautiful beachfront property has 6,000 feet of white, powdery shoreline. That's over a mile. I've been lucky enough to visit it twice. The beach is absolutely gorgeous. This area is not really known to get sargassum, also known as seaweed. If there is any seaweed or seagrass on its shores, it is usually cleaned up pretty quickly by the staff. As you can see on this map, they're not directly situated on the Atlantic Ocean. There's a lot of islands that do block the flow of that sargassum. Sandals Emerald Bay is currently situated on 500 acres with 249 rooms. It opened in 2010 when it was a Four Seasons resort. A few years ago, Sandals purchased the adjoining property, so it's speculated that Beaches Exuma will be expanded onto that property. They will offer multi-bedroom villas, suites, and connecting rooms. They will upgrade their 12 restaurants, add a kids camp, and a water park. The average high temperature runs from 79 degrees in January and February up to 88 degrees in June, July, and August. So very comfortable weather year-round. Here's the current Sandals Emerald Bay Resort layout. I'm not sure if additional rooms will be added, and if so, where they will be, but you can see that most of the current rooms do face the ocean, which is just a short walk away from that beautiful beach. Exuma has a lot of great excursions, including swimming with the pigs, which is a lot of fun. There are sandbars you can explore. There's amazing snorkeling and swimming with turtles. I highly recommend this resort for any family looking for a gorgeous beach, a short ride from the airport, excellent service, and a lot of activities for everyone. I personally can't wait to see it. All the videos and pictures shown here have been taken by the Traveling Pogma YouTube family. If you'd like to see what a beaches looks like, we do have a complete tour of Beaches Negril in Jamaica. Check out the link at the end of this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel to check out all the places we've been and where we'll travel in the future. Now get out and explore the world.